Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Linux Mint. While Roblox does not officially support Linux, the vibrant community has developed several clever workarounds. We'll dive into the most effective ways to get Roblox up and running on your Linux Mint machine, ensuring you can join your friends in countless experiences. We'll cover two main approaches, each with its own benefits, so you can choose the best fit for your setup. Let's get started. Our first and often most recommended method involves using Sober. This innovative, unofficial runtime allows you to play the Android version of Roblox directly on your Linux system. Many users report that Sober delivers performance equal to, or even up to twice as good as, the native Windows client. To get started, you'll need to install Flatpak, a widely used packaging system, and then acquire the Sober application. After that, you'll download the Roblox Android Application Bundle, or APK, to integrate with Sober. Another reliable way to play Roblox on Linux Mint is by setting up a Windows virtual machine. This approach provides a fully compatible Windows environment, allowing Roblox to run as if it were on a native Windows PC. You'll need a valid Windows license and a computer with ample resources. We recommend dedicating at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to the virtual machine for a smooth experience. For even better graphics, advanced users can explore GPU pass-through if their hardware supports it. While Wine and Lutris were once popular for running Roblox, the game's anti-cheat system has significantly reduced their effectiveness for the player. However, the Vinegar project can still help you run Roblox Studio on Linux. Regardless of your chosen method, ensure your system meets basic requirements, such as at least 1 GB of memory and 300 MB of storage space. Always check community forums for the newest solutions and troubleshooting advice to keep your Roblox experience optimal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.